All right, here we need to solve for the missing sides here, x and y. So first thing we got to do is recognize this is a 30, 60, 90 triangle, and that gives us the side ratios of 1 to root 3 to 2. So if I take my the side that is opposite the 30-degree angle, which in this case happens to be y, and I multiply it by root 3, that'll give me the side that's opposite the 60-degree angle. If I take y and multiply it by 2, that'll give me the hypotenuse. So we're going to start with that relationship because I know the hypotenuse. So I take y and I multiply it by 2, and that gives me the hypotenuse. And nice and easily I can solve for y. So I know that y is 5. So because this is 5, I can now take that and relate it to x and find x based on these side ratios up here. So I take my side that's opposite my 30-degree angle, or in other words 5, and I multiply it by root 3. That gives me the side that's opposite the 60, or x. And I'm done. There's no simplifying needed here. I can just leave it in radical form.